Hello, my name is Ian Bowen, and this is Descrit 1. As many of you know, I'm a police sergeant for the Athens-Clarke County Police Department. About a month ago, I came up with an idea to challenge my fellow officers in three main areas, and it was shooting, fitness, and defensive tactics. I advertised this throughout the department by way of email and word of mouth. What I found was a lot of questions, a lot of emails, texts, and phone calls about the structure and dates and times and things of that nature. So for my project, I decided to figure out a way to try and condense all of that into one place where a participant could access online anything they needed to know about the challenge. And so I thought Storyline would be a perfect venue for that. Currently, everything is on our intranet at the police department, so if you're not, or you don't have your work-issued laptop, you might not be able to access it. And there's no way to access it with just a phone. Although I haven't tried Storyline 3 on a phone, I do know it's accessible by way of tablet, and it works very well. So that is something I will try out for this semester, see how this works on a phone. So anyway, on to the project. Here's a quick overview in the story view mode. This will be the introduction page, and then from there I broke it down into four main areas, the current challenge, information about the challenge, the 3 skill sets, and then how to register. Registering, I haven't quite figured out yet, and the current challenge, I'll probably just use videos and maybe a leaderboard, not sure. So from there, the skills branches down to range, which is the shooting skills, WADS, which is the fitness, and defensive tactics. From there, from the range, I have a quiz associated with use of force, and I have the same with defensive tactics. I also have a couple videos embedded, and we'll take a look at that here right now. Alright, so here we go. Information takes us to a screen here that tells us about it, basic rules and things of that nature. I didn't realize how that looked till just now, so I'll fix that. Everything has a home button. Skills, we have the 3 skills. Hover over the range, get some information here about it. Let's see here, we get a little quiz. Go through that. Takes you back, then we got a quick little video here we could watch. And we could go back, go to the WADS, description of it on the left, and then all the various WADS here. Not sure how I like this now that I look at it. But anyway, I have a link to one of them. Short little video explanation over here. Go back, move on to DT. Explanation of our defensive tactics program, a little picture, and I haven't included a video for this one yet. Go back. Everything has a home button that we could go to, so we could always go back home. And then current challenges and registration isn't enabled just yet. So a few more things over here. I wasn't sure. I thought I made a link to the second quiz here, but I got to work on that. Anyway, that is it for now. Still a lot of work to do, but it's coming together. Thank you very much.